Hey, greetings, my friends. It's Phil Carrick here from howtosacktheboss.com, helping you make your first commissions online. Now, it doesn't matter if you're a beginner, an expert, whatever. All right, I'm going to show you how or what I do to make money as an affiliate marketer. And one of the best places to do that is through an affiliate platform called Clickbank. Now, Clickbank is one of the largest, well, it's the largest affiliate marketing program for online courses. Okay, so courses from every niche, and I'll show you that in a second. Okay, so inside of this post here, affiliate marketing for dummies, on my website howtosacktheboss.com, I'll just show you the two biggest ones that that really get a lot of traction. I wouldn't even bother with anything else, honestly, because the commissions are so low on the other ones. Okay, there's Amazon Associates, and now there's a low commission, but there's a massive amount of products. That's the thing. Okay, so that sort of outweighs the poor commission that you get, because the commission for Amazon Associates, even though they advertise it can be up to 10%, it's normally around about 2 to 3%. Now, that's not a lot on smaller items, but if you've got bigger items, then by all means, you can sign up for Amazon Associates and grab your affiliate links for any product on Amazon, and then you can recommend it and promote it. Now, please, this is a big thing for me, and it's some marketers I'd just like to give that to. All right, but please do not recommend anything that you either haven't got first-hand experience with or you haven't already purchased. Okay, because there's no point. All right, so many people just recommend because they think they're going to get a quick buck. Please don't do that. All right, because this is so important. Please be transparent, be open, and be honest with people. If you haven't used the product, or you haven't purchased the product or the service or a course that you're recommending, please say that. All right, please say that. All right, but one of the biggest things is to purchase the course first. See how it is, see if it's a good thing or the product, all right, and then you can recommend it. So Clickbank's the biggest retailer, it really is, largest retailer of online courses. So let's just go there. Let's click on that link there. It just takes you to Clickbank, and you would sign up for a free account. It's completely free, as is Amazon Associates. Okay, so you click on here, create account, and you would just follow the prompts. Okay, here we go, just follow the prompts, etc. So what I'll do is I'm going to sign into my Clickbank account, and I'm going to show you the simple steps just to have a look through Clickbank and how to find the best products. Okay, the best and the most popular Products, and exactly what you're looking for before you promote anything. Okay, so let's just log in here. All right, now obviously you'd set up, you go to account settings and you'd set up your Clickbank account, and more importantly as well, you'd put your PayPal email address in there, because you want to be able to get paid. So once you're in there, just go to Marketplace, and this is how you find all the products. Now, on the left-hand side, you have all the categories, and there is literally a category for anything. Look, I mean, there's business opportunities, okay, business investing. Yeah, if you want to do that, there's all sorts of filters you can use. If you want specific languages, you can do the filters here. Here's the thing as well. All right, let's start from the top. So let's go back to Marketplace. Now, if you want to find the best-selling courses or products inside of Clickbank, see inside of this search bar here. Don't put anything in there. Just click the magnifying glass, because what it'll do is it'll pull up the most popular products. See, there's Flat Belly Fix. So if you're in the weight loss market, you can have a look at that. And let's just zoom in a bit so you can see it. So the average sale is $33.81. Okay, and if you want to have a look at their affiliates, they generally have an affiliates page. So you would just click on here and you would sign up for the affiliate. Okay, So that's what you should do anyway with any of these products. And they'll have the affiliate email address as well. Now, these are the stats. These are the things that you need to be aware of. So if you were in the weight loss niche, for example, the initial sale, okay, what you're getting from the initial sale is $33.70, which is great, okay, and the average percentage of sales 78%, which is really, really good. Average rebill 33 cents. Okay, I don't know where they're getting that from. Okay, but as you can see here, when you've got two arrows here, there's reoccurring billing. So ideally, if you can promote a product that has got reoccurring billing, then even better. Okay, so it'll tell you the language of the course. Okay, the one-time billing, it's got reoccurring. Yeah, it's got a $1 trial, which is really what you want. You really want these $1 trials. That's why some of these are like, you know, $33.70 and $33.81. It's only because there's an average with the $1 trials put in as well. Okay, so all you need to do is just hover over these icons. Okay, to have a look at the product, if you just click on the link. Okay, so you just click it. Okay, so this is the what we call the landing page here, and there's lots of ways that people's email addresses can be given out. They can leave their email address for this, that, and the other. Okay, so that's how you check the actual page itself. I would highly recommend you do that. And also make sure what it looks like on a mobile. So to do that, let's just sort of do that. We just squeeze it down. As you can see, look, as we're squeezing it, it's looking good. It still looks good on a mobile. Can you see that? See, it doesn't matter how thin we go, it still looks good. The video is still playing. That's the video, by the way. Okay, the button's still there. Everything is looking really, really good. Even the exit pop-up looks good on a mobile. That's critical because most of your traffic is going to be on a mobile phone. So let's get off that and let's have a look at anything else. The hidden obsession. Okay, woodworking. If you're into woodworking, honestly, that has been selling for years. Ted's woodworking. It's crazy. Okay, back to life, loads of things. Fat decimator. The biggest market on Clickbank is weight loss, okay? Followed closely by the make money online business opportunity niche. So this is what I like to do. I like to sort results, okay? Sort results by gravity. Gravity is basically the number of people who have received sales. Okay, all right, so the higher the gravity, the better the product. So the red tea detox, fat decimator, there's 185. Really, you're looking for a gravity of 50 plus if you can. Okay, so there's lots. Numerologist, that was a pretty good one. Flat belly tells woodworking. There he is again. Okay, but if you want to look at specific categories, let's have a look at business and investing. Okay, so let's see here. So gravity, okay, 45, 44, China secret, wood profits, crypto blueprint, 25. They're still okay, still all right. In actual fact, I would say 25 plus. Don't go below that. 25 plus for a gravity is okay. All right, and then ideally what you're looking for is the reoccurring billing as well. Okay, so there's one. You can see the recurring billing, because every time somebody uses it for another month, okay, you then get a percentage of that as well. So it's not just a one-time affiliate fee you're getting, you're also getting the monthly as well. Okay, so this is really how you hone in excuse me, hone in on different things. So again, if you want to sort of use the filters, you would just use that English. We want recurring. Yeah, maybe a $1 trial as well. I like the $1 trials, I do. Okay, but it's sort of the gravity's going down. So let's have a look at popularity. Okay, let's see, 17. There's Ty Lopez's one. See, he's only got a gravity of 3.81. Okay, so there's business investing, computers, internet, e-business and e-marketing. All right, you really need to have a look at all different types and self-help. Okay, because online sort of business opportunities, sometimes people put them in the wrong categories. You would think it would be business and investing, but it could be in computers and internet. So let's have a look at there. Let's sort by sort by gravity. So 3.5, yeah, those are really small. I wouldn't bother with those. Computers, e-business, e-marketing. There you go. Look, these are getting bigger and better. Look at that. Okay, 57. Affiliate bots, 88. There you go. All right, so these are more in the business opportunity niche. Okay, under e-business and e-marketing. As you can see, there's 59 products here, so there's plenty to look at. Okay, so don't always go for the higher average per sale either, because it can be a lot harder to get that initial sale. Sometimes it's easier to go for the smaller ones, but if they've got reoccurring billing, which this one has, that could prove more profitable for you. But again, I would always contact the affiliate, go to the affiliate page, contact them and say, hey, look, I'd like to promote your product. Is there any chance of a beta test version, please? Just ask them if there's a way you can get a version, excuse me, to test rather than having to pay for it. But be honest, be open about these things and say, look, I really want to promote these things, okay? So there's lots and lots of things. Again, here's the affiliate page for all these different things here. So if you did want, if you choose, if you've chose it and you like, the landing page, let's have a look at this. Affiliate bots, I don't know what that is. Obviously some sort of chat bot thing. Okay, so, okay. Pretty good sales page. I like that. Lots of testimonials. Okay, so let's go back up here. Let's do the next thing. Sorry about that. Let's do the next thing. See how it looks on a mobile. Remember, just squeeze it down. Yep, still looks good. But look, see some of these images aren't mobile optimized. Can you see that? So that doesn't look good, but still it still looks okay. Still looks okay. It's just some of these images. Yeah, I would reach out to the affiliate manager and say, look, are you aware that it looks crap on mobile? Right, but it still wouldn't negate not advertising this. Okay, so that looks okay. It's not the best. So if you did want to promote it, all you simply do is click on the big red promote button. You would have your account nickname in here. As you can see, there's mine. I've just graded out. But the tracking ID, you can put on anything. So say like if you're advertising through native ads or Facebook. So say Facebook, for example, generate hop links. And then you get this nice big, let's just sort of, you get this nice big link here. Now this is your affiliate link. So if I copy the hop link now and go over to another browser and paste it in there, it should go to that landing page. There it is there. Okay. And always make sure that your Clickbank ID is in there as well. Okay. It'll say equals and then it'll give you Clickbank ID. All right. And once you've got that, that's it. You know, so you can now go off and say, for example, I wanted to promote something in here, maybe on my blog, and I wanted to promote the chat bot, okay, whatever it is. Let's just edit post here a second. I want to show you how easy this is. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go down to the bottom here. If I wanted to advertise for profits, then I would link to it here. So what you could do, you could write something on your blog about the chatbot profits. You could do a review. All right, and please, if you're doing a review, put the good things and the bad things. Don't always just put loads of good things. If it's got some bad points, please review that and be honest. People appreciate it. So if you wanted to advertise, then I would link to it here. Then all you do is you just simply highlight that. Okay, then you would link it. So see the link, and you just paste your Clickbank URL in here. There it is there. There's the Clickbank. Remember Facebook, obviously here I wouldn't have Facebook. I would put in something like blog post. Okay, and open in a new tab and then do it that way. So let's just update this and let's have a look at the post and let's see how it actually it all looks. Okay, we'll just give it a second. Okay, so let's just view the post. So again, they're just reading through this. This may well be a review on the chatbot profit or affiliate bots. Sorry, it's called affiliate bots. So, oh, hang on. There it is. So they're going through this affiliate bot, and you're talking about the affiliate bot, the good and the bad points, and then you would put something like, hey, you can see what affiliate bots is all about. Just click here. People would click on that and hopefully it should go to my affiliate link, which it does for that. Perfect, eh? And that's all it is. Honestly, it's as simple as that, guys and girls. Simple as that. So Clickbank again is really the best place to start. So it's always good to have a blog if you can and do reviews of certain products. Now I'm really going to go deep into that in my coaching club. All right, and if you want to sign up for to be notified when the coaching club is released, which will be in January 2019, just click on this. Just click on this banner here. Excuse me. And it's just a little video there. I'll show you some of the things I've been doing. 1 cent video views, and how I'm getting masses of sales just by that one video, which is a bit crazy to be quite honest, especially for 1 cent video views. But all you need to do, if you want to be notified when my coaching club is already, okay, because there's a lot of videos to do, then just put your name, email in there in this box here, let me in, Phil, all right, and that's it. That's it. It's as simple as that. All right, so I hope you've enjoyed this, and get out there, have a play around with Clickbank, have a play around with Amazon Associates, and hopefully I'll see you inside the coaching club. Take care. Speak to you soon.